Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone, it is so good to see you today.
Today, we are going to learn how to order coffee in English.
Yes, ordering coffee is something many people do every single
Please
day.
hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
It helps our channel grow, and you will never miss a fun lesson.
Picture this. You walk into a cozy coffee shop. What is the first thing you say?
First, the barista behind the counter will say hello to you.
They might say, "Hello, what can I get for you today?"
Exactly. And you can smile and respond politely. You can say, "Hi, I would like a coffee, please."
I would like a coffee, please. That is such a great phrase.
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
It sounds much nicer than saying, give me coffee.
Never say, "Give me coffee." That is a bit rude. You can also say, "Can I have?"
Ooh, can I have is another wonderful phrase.
Have a coffee, please, please?
Can I have a coffee, please? Coffee shops have many different types of coffee.
It can be confusing when you look at the menu.
What is your absolute favorite coffee, Alice?
I love a warm, sweet vanilla latte. What about you?
In the morning, I just like a hot black coffee or an Americano.
How do I order a latte in English, David?
You can say, "Can I have a small latte, please?"
Notice how David added the word small.
Can I have a small latte, please?
Let's practice saying the 3 basic sizes slowly.
Small, medium, large.
Don't worry about fancy names like tall or venti.
If you say small, medium, or large, everyone understands. Next, the barista will ask, hot or iced?
That means, do you want warm coffee or cold coffee?
On a hot summer day, you say, iced, please.
On a chilly morning, you say, hot, please.
Iced, please.
Hot, please.
Iced, please.
Hot, please.
Let's put it all together. Alice, pretend you are the barista.
Ding dong! Welcome to the coffee shop. How can I help you?
Hello, can I have a medium iced coffee, please?
Sure thing. Hot or iced? Oh wait, you said iced. Even native speakers repeat things to be sure.
That is totally normal.
Now what about milk and sugar?
You can say, with milk, please.
Or, with oat milk, please. Or, with almond milk, please.
With oat milk, please.
With milk, please.
What if you want sugar in your coffee, David?
You say, with 1 sugar, please, or with 2 sugars, please. With 1 sugar, please.
With 2 sugars, please.
If you do not want any milk or sugar, what do you say?
Simply say, black coffee, please, or no sugar, please.
Black coffee, please.
Black coffee has no sugar.
No sugar, please. Now comes another super common coffee shop question.
What question is that, David?
Here, they will ask, for here or to go?
For here or to go is a classic phrase.
For here, please.
To go, please.
Welcome to Coffee Central. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a small hot latte with oat milk, please.
Great choice. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $4, please.
Perfect. Now how do we talk about paying? You can say, I will pay with card, please.
Or, I will pay with cash. Here is your hot coffee.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That is the best way to leave with a smile. Now, let's do a quick review of all our key phrases today.
Say them out loud after us at home. Ordering. Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Options. A small hot coffee, please.
A small hot coffee, please.
A medium iced latte, please.
A medium iced latte, please.
For here, please.
For here, please.
To go, please.
To go, please.
Wow, fantastic job, everyone!
The more you speak out loud, the more natural it feels. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee drink?
Tell us if you prefer it hot or iced.
Practice writing your answer in English below.
We love reading your comments and replying.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone! Happy learning!